practice English speaking.
Hello, welcome to Practice English Speaking. Oh wow, I'm already smiling because today's topic is something that makes people nervous and excited at the same time. Job interviews.
Yes, and if you are a beginner and your heart goes boom boom when someone says interview, don't worry, you are not alone, my friend.
Seriously, Jake, even confident people sometimes forget their own name in an interview, and that is totally relatable and a little funny.
Exactly. Today, we will practice an English conversation between interviewer and candidate in a friendly, simple, real-life style, not scary textbook English.
Yes. Imagine you are sitting in a small office, maybe your hands are a little cold, and you are thinking, please, brain, work today.
Yes. Okay, Anna, you be the interviewer first, and I will be the candidate who is trying to look confident but is actually nervous inside.
Perfect. Let's start the real-life practice. Good morning. Please come in and have a seat. How are you today?
Good morning, ma'am. I'm good, thank you. A little nervous, but also excited for this opportunity.
That's completely normal, and I appreciate your honesty because many candidates feel nervous but don't say it.
Yes, I think interviews are important, so I really want to do my best and speak clearly.
That's a great attitude. So first question, can you tell me about yourself?
Sure. My name is Jake Ahmed, and I recently completed my bachelor's degree in business administration, which was challenging but very interesting for me.
Nice introduction. Can you tell me about your skills in simple words?
Yes, I am good at communication, I enjoy working in a team, and I always try to finish my work on time because I respect deadlines.
I like that you said you respect deadlines because honestly, we all know that one friend who is always late.
Yes, I don't want to be that friend in the office.
Good choice. Now tell me, why do you want to work with our company?
I want to work here because your company has a good reputation, and I want to grow my skills in a professional environment.
That sounds very thoughtful and clear. What are your strengths?
One of my strengths is that I am responsible, and I don't give up easily when I face a problem.
That's powerful because in real life, problems come every single day, like unexpected emails at 8 a.m.
Oh yes, emails before coffee are very dangerous.
So true. Now tell me about your weakness.
I sometimes overthink my work because I want everything to be perfect, but I am learning to manage my time better.
That is a smart answer because it shows self-awareness, and self-awareness is very important in a job.
Thank you. I am trying to improve every day. Even small improvements matter.
Absolutely. Now, imagine you have a conflict with a coworker. What will you do?
I will first talk calmly with my coworker, try to understand their point of view, and then find a solution together.
That sounds mature and professional, not dramatic like a TV show argument.
Yes, I prefer peace, not office drama.
Very good. Now, let's switch roles because sometimes it's fun to see both sides.
Okay, now I am the interviewer, and I will try to look serious but friendly.
And I'm the candidate who practiced all night in front of the mirror.
Good afternoon, Anna. Thank you for coming. Why should we hire you?
Thank you for having me. You should hire me because I am hardworking, quick to learn, and I always try to bring positive energy to the team.
Positive energy is nice because nobody wants a negative cloud in the office.
Exactly. I believe a smile and respect can improve teamwork.
Can you describe your previous experience?
In my previous job, I worked as a customer service assistant where I helped customers solve problems and answer questions patiently.
Customer service can be difficult, especially when customers are angry.
Yes, sometimes customers were upset, but I stayed calm and listened carefully because listening is very important.
That shows emotional intelligence, which is impressive and useful.
Thank you. I believe understanding people makes work easier and more meaningful.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years, I see myself growing in this company, taking more responsibility, and improving my leadership skills.
That answer shows ambition, but also loyalty, which companies appreciate.
Yes, I want stability and growth, not just a short-term job.
Very nice. Do you have any questions for us?
Yes, I would like to know about training opportunities and how the company supports employee development.
That is a smart question because it shows you care about learning and improving.
Thank you. I believe learning never stops, even after getting a job.
Wow, Anna, this practice feels so real, like I can almost see the office desk and the water glass on the table.
I know, right? And maybe the candidate is thinking, should I drink water now or is that awkward?
Yes, small moments like that feel so big in an interview.
Dear listeners, you can repeat these sentences with us slowly and clearly because practice makes confidence stronger.
Say it with me. I am hardworking and willing to learn.
I respect deadlines and work well in a team.
I handle problems calmly and professionally.
See? Simple sentences, but powerful and natural.
And remember, speaking slowly is better than speaking fast and confusing everyone.
Yes, clear English is better than fast English, especially for beginners.
If you feel shy, practice in front of a mirror or record your voice on your phone.
At first, you might feel strange hearing your own voice, but that's normal and even a little funny.
Confidence comes step by step, not in one day.
And mistakes are not enemies, they are teachers in disguise.
Wow, that sounded deep, Anna.
Sometimes I surprise myself too.
Before we finish, let's quickly repeat one mini conversation again for confidence.
Good idea. I'll start. Tell me about yourself.
My name is Jake, and I am a motivated person who enjoys learning new skills.
Why do you want this job?
Because I want to grow professionally and contribute positively to your team.
See? Smooth, simple, friendly English.
And if you practice this daily, interviews will feel less scary and more like a normal conversation.
Exactly. An interview is not an interrogation. It's just a professional conversation.
That's such an important mindset shift.
Dear listeners, keep practicing a little every day. Even 5 minutes can make a big difference.
You are improving more than you think, even if progress feels slow.
We believe in you, and we are proud that you're practicing English with us.
So take a deep breath, smile, and say, I can do this.
Thank you for listening and practicing with us today.
See you in the next episode, and until then, keep speaking, keep smiling, and keep growing.
Bye, everyone.